and welcome to my channel. I am Jadine. I'm a classically trained chef with over 15 years of professional experience. I've worked as a private chef for over 10 years and I've also worked in some of the best restaurants. Today, I'm going to show you how I make fresh whipped cream. So let's get right into it. And I have a helper today. Hello, helper. So I'm gonna start with a bowl with ice and ice water, so an ice bath. I tend to like to whip my cream in an ice bath just to keep it nice and chill while I'm whipping it. So we're gonna start with 1 pint of heavy cream. How are you doing, Aubrey? How's it going? So 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of confectioner sugar, or some people will say powdered sugar. It is the same thing. I'm gonna start by mixing it with a mixer. So you don't want to over whip your whipped cream. You really want a nice stiff peak without over whipping. Almost, another couple seconds. And now we have fresh whipped cream. You don't want to over whip. If you see your whipped cream starts to get a little grainy, then you've whipped too far. But this is it, really great consistency. It's really pretty. It's so good. So Aubrey, we just made fresh whipped cream, and the French terminology for it is creme chantilly. So if you're ever at a restaurant and you see a dessert that says creme chantilly, that's exactly what it is. Whipped cream, but with a little vanilla extract and also a little powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. So now I'm going to place the whipped cream in a bowl and then put it in the refrigerator, and it'll last for a few days. It's really delicious. It's really simple and really easy to do. So give it a try next time you're considering having whipped cream. Aubrey, fresh whipped cream. Look at what we made. Look at this. Ah. No. And that is how you make fresh whipped cream, or should we say creme chantilly. And Aubrey, thank you for your help. I appreciate it. Cheers! Good job. Thank you for helping me. I appreciate all the help that you put in. Aubrey, you did such a great job helping. Yes, thank you. Thank you for helping me.